Have you ever wondered how a simple idea can change everything? In a cramped garage, two innovators are racing against a ticking clock to create a groundbreaking cloud tool. With just 48 hours remaining, the pressure is on. Every second counts as they dive deep into their plan, aiming to revolutionize DevOps practices. As they brainstorm, their ideas evolve. New features emerge, and suddenly, the vision begins to take shape, igniting their passion. The prototype is finally ready. Sam showcases their innovative cloud tool, and Alex's enthusiasm fills the air. Could this be the breakthrough they need? The clock is merciless, and every detail matters. They work side by side, refining their creation, driven by their shared dream. They pause for a moment, weighing their fears against their dreams. This is a leap of courage that could change everything. As the timer ticks down, the energy shifts. They know they must push through their doubts or risk losing it all. This is it. With seconds to spare, they finalize the code, their fingers hovering over the launch button. Will they succeed? In that moment, everything changes. The tool launches successfully, bringing them one step closer to their dream. They celebrate their victory, realizing that courage can lead to unexpected breakthroughs. Their journey is just beginning. With their initial success, they set their sights on the future. The world of cloud computing is theirs to conquer. As they step into the future, the possibilities are endless. This is only the beginning of their extraordinary journey.